Sunshine is the second song for the Mega Busk on World Ukulele Day. This song contains 4 chords. We've got a C major, we've got a C7, we've got an F major, and we've got a G7. Not particularly in that order. And we're going to use the calypso strumming pattern, which sounds like this. Okay, so each section of the song contains 16 bars, as you can see from the diagram. So I'm just going to play along. So we've got a C major for 2 bars. And then down to C7. Get ready to go to F. And then back to C major. Back up to F for 2 bars. Again. Okay, so at the end of the song, the last line would sound like this: C, G7, C, C, G7, G7, C, G7, and C. So you've got an extra G7 and a C just to end the song off. Okay, so stick around and listen to the version with the lyrics and see if you can play along with cat people.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You are my